Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the machine and verifying documentation so you can test safely. Once power is isolated, visually inspect the relay and wiring because hidden damage ruins tests. Next, measure the control voltage at the relay terminals and disconnect the coil to get a baseline resistance and insulation value. This tells you if the coil is open or leaking. Make sure to log readings and compare to manufacturer specs before moving to dynamic testing. You now exercise the relay under controlled conditions to confirm function. Apply the rated control voltage and watch pull-in and release. Timing reveals weak coils or sticking armatures. Then simulate each safety input one at a time, verifying correct contact sequencing and interlock logic, because ordered switching prevents unsafe states. Use a multimeter or oscilloscope to capture transition waveforms and contact bounce. This shows intermittent faults. Once done, you finish by restoring the relay into the circuit and performing a guarded functional verification so the machine behaves safely under normal control. Measure final voltages and confirm the safety stop produces the expected state change. Record all numbers and mark any deviations. If everything passes, label the relay and update maintenance records. If a fault persists, isolate whether the coil or contacts are failing. Substitute a known good relay or bench test the suspect unit to pinpoint the defect and avoid misdiagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.